How do DOM modifications cause reflow and repainted? Imagine you're changing the layout of a room by moving furniture around. In a web page, when you change the HTML content or styles, the browser has to update what you see. This process involves two main steps: reflow and repainted. Reflow, also called layout, happens when the size or position of elements needs to change. For example, if you add a new paragraph or change the width of a box, the browser must recalculate where everything goes. It figures out the exact position and size of each element and rebuilds the internal structure that manages layout. This step takes more time because it might affect many elements on the page, especially if they are nested or linked. Repainted or redraw is a bit simpler. It occurs when only the visual style changes, like changing the color of text or background. In this case, the browser just updates the pixels on the screen without recalculating positions. So, when you modify the DOM by changing HTML content or styles that affect layout, it triggers reflow. The browser has to recalculate the positions and sizes of elements to keep everything aligned. If you only change styles that do not affect layout, like color or visibility, it causes repainted instead. Reflow is more demanding because it involves recalculating the entire layout, which can slow down your page if it happens too often. To keep your website fast, try to batch DOM changes together instead of doing them one by one. Use CSS properties like transform or opacity for animations, because they only cause repainted, not reflow. Also, avoid reading layout properties like offset width or offset height immediately after making changes, because that forces the browser to perform reflow right away. Instead, separate reading and writing DOM operations to prevent unnecessary reflows. Using request animation frame for animations helps optimize rendering, making your site smoother. Minimizing the complexity of your DOM structure also helps reduce the need for frequent reflows. When you understand how DOM modifications cause reflow and repainted, you can write more efficient code that keeps your web pages responsive and quick to update.